Welcome to our Greenfield Analysis tutorial. In this video, we'll show how you can use greenfieldanalysis.com to improve your supply chain and better serve your customers. First, we'll navigate to greenfieldanalysis.com and click Try the Demo, then click Greenfield Demo. From here, you can see we have customer data, as well as an ideal placement for a single distribution center in Texarkana, Texas. Using the bar on the left, we can see what our ideal distribution center layout looks like for up to 10 distribution centers. We can also add our own distribution centers. Let's try adding one in Knoxville, Tennessee. You can see how our ideal layout adapts to the added distribution center. When we're happy with our supply chain model, we can click Assignments in the top right to see granular data regarding our model, and we can save that data and use it to make great decisions. We can open this data in something like Microsoft Excel to easily work with and share our results. Thanks for coming along for this tutorial. To see how Greenfield Analysis can help your supply chain efforts, visit greenfieldanalysis.com. Or if you're looking at taking your existing infrastructure to the next level, take a look at our Brownfield Analysis tutorial.